Hello there everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy memory wire beaded bracelet. In this example I will be using 11O seed beads, 6x4 rondelles and 4mm fire polished beads. I've just cut off some basic memory wire. This one isn't gold plated, but you can buy them plated. I'm just going to slip this bracelet on so you can see what it looks like. And what I like about memory wire bracelets, you can also make them reversible. So if I just wanted a dainty look, a bit of sparkle, I could just reverse it. But also I wouldn't want this bead dangling, so I would simply just remove that. I have made this bracelet silver and yellow gold. And even with my jump rings, I thought I would use a yellow gold jump ring and then a silver jump ring. So I could have used silver memory wire. I could have used gold seed beads. So the whole theme of this is really silver and gold. When you cut your memory wire, do not use your side cutter flush cutters, because the memory wire is just too strong and it will probably mess up your cutters. So I suggest, I got these from a home improvement store, memory wire cutters. It's a very pretty color that gives a lot of shine. 45 on each side. Add our beads on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you will probably lose count, so what I like to do is just add a bunch on and then count from there in groups of 5. Now of course the smaller your beads, the more time it's going to take, but it's still a very quick bracelet style to make. You can even buy memory wire in like a toddler width, larger width, even an oval style width. You can buy it silver plated, gold plated. You can buy it in all types of silver tones, rose gold tones. You can adjust accordingly to your wrist size. So my wrist, I believe, is 15.75 centimeters. I'm going to copy my design, which was a fire polish, rondelle, and 2 fire polish, rondelle, 2 more fire polish. And this is my middle point where I would add the jump ring and the charm. And reverse, 2 fire polish, 1 rondelle, 2 fire polish, rondelle, fire polish. Okay, so I've added all of the beads. Add my silver and then my yellow gold jump ring.